Hi guys, my name is Krish and this is Tabby, and together we gathered here to staff March 2024 challenges. So we will see how it goes. First, we need to take care of the money. So this is the money I got for this particular purpose. We'll see how much we have there. Oh, there is a 2 for 2 zlotys challenge and also some other monies. But first, I think I'm going to need to organize it as usually. It's not organized. Oh, they are wonky and they fall out of my hand. So here we go. Quite a lot of them. 20s. Whoa, I can't do it today. All right, so here we go. Let's count this money. 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. 320, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400 zlotys. 400 zloty. That's what we have here. So let's work around that and we will see how much we can staff in each category. Okay, we don't have a 50. Oops. Wow, how ugly they are. All right. So let me first see. We're gonna staff Berlin trip. So this is how we're looking with the Berlin. We need to staff 1, 2, 3 more. So let me see how much we're gonna staff 3 of this today. So okay. 100, 20, 40, 50. Sorry. Okay, so okay, they needs to be organized as well. Wait a minute. I don't like this mess. What is going on up here? All right. Oh, I think it's organized now. For that's Berlin. 100, 2, 3, 400, 450, 5, 550, 6, 650, 7, 750, 8, 850. Oh, 950, 1,000. So it's supposed to be 1,000. I think that's about right. Yep, that's supposed to be 1,000. So we have 1,000 for our Berlin trip, which is enough for the hotel. I think, yeah, but we still need some money for spending and other things, so it's not ready yet to go. We're actually going to Berlin in 2 weeks, so this money is going to be used after the trip to pay off the trip, so it's going to be a little bit wonky. All right, so the next category I have is hobby. So this is here. So we are coloring the book. You know what? I'm going to bring a different marker. So for the next challenge, it's a book challenge, which is basically extra money to put in my hobby envelope. I've changed it a little bit next time. So I moved those around from my binder, and they were here. So in hobby categories, there was a challenge, but I constantly have taken money from that and it didn't make much sense. So I just decided that each of these books is going to represent a 50 that I'm going to put as a challenge towards this goal. And when it's going to be 1,000, then I will start this envelope with this money. So there is a challenge on top of the spending money that I will be allocating every single day. So this week it's a 50 and I'm going to give it a 50. Because I really need this money if I want to buy myself something for my passions, like supplies or whatever that is. All right, so that was it. And now in famous dream challenge, so my dream challenge goes for, it's going to be 30 and it's go toward the ticket for my favorite band's concert ticket. So let's see if we have, oh my God, I made a mistake here. So it's supposed to be 60, but I'm missing a 20. So if I will staff a 20, it's going to be a 60. So that's what I'm going to do. I wanted to stuff 30, but I don't have enough money, so I'm going to stuff at 20 and leave 10 behind. And we will see what we're gonna do about this. So I'm not coloring anything this month, and it's gonna stay at 30. So the next challenge is a beauty challenge. So this money goes towards a beauty envelope if I would like to do anything more than typical ones that I have. So I'm going to color this lily and stuff a 20 in here. It matches in colors, so it's cute. Okay. So the next one is going to be a laser envelope, which is supposed to get a 10. And let's see how much is actually there. Wow, it's coins. It's all coins. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I'm going to exchange this. I'm going to stuff this 10 back. And I'm going to stuff another 10 for the laser. Okay, and color. Alrighty, oh, go in. Great. So this is it. Whoops. So let me go through the challenge binder. Oh, okay. So we have 1, 2 for the 2. Zloty's challenge. Here we go. Oh, I closed that. That's weird. So in you go here. You see how dirty that is? I need to clean this. Okay. 5s. I'll think about it. I'm not sure if I'm going to want to spend it here because I made a promise that it's going to be those particular money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. And this is a Cypress envelope and it's supposed to get a 10. I only have 20 because I suppose, so I'm going to exchange it like this. And condense it. So Cypress, here you go, boy. I'm gonna get another 10. We're going to Cyprus in November, so we'll see how much we can do here. Okay, and Christmas is getting a 20. So Christmas is going to have 40. Crazy. Well, it's better than nothing, guys. Small steps. I think we can still do it. So 20 for Christmas. And I moved the pet challenge from pets envelope because it basically there was the same issue. Constantly there was an issue with the fact that we spend this money almost every month for our pets. So yeah, I am coloring that and I'm stuffing a tenner inside. All right. So we still have some money left over. It's 2, 4, 6. Okay, it's 100. So I think we're gonna stuff it in the license envelope or Berlin. You know what? Berlin is supposed to stuff it in a license, and we're not doing the 52 weeks challenge yet, but I'm actually going to change them. So it's supposed to stuff this 100 into a driving license, but I'm not going to, because I think I will pay that fully with my redundancy, but we'll see about that. But Berlin is actually more important than this, so I'm just going to change my plans on the go. So let's see how much it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 100. Okay, and that makes it 8,100. Oh, yeah, I broke down this envelope and I fixed it, but it's still wonky as hell. Right, so I'm just gonna stuff it here. Great. Oh, bloody hell, I broke it again. Okay, I'm just gonna do it this way and we'll see. So this is Berlin. And we have a 10 left over, so as usually this 10 is going to the most important challenge, which is the 52. I got lost when it is, but it's here. So I'm just gonna color the 10. And throw this money. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we are making some progress here. It's quite a lot of money, and there are some twos, so I think we can exchange them. For the challenge in some time, so that would be really nice. But yeah, for now it's tough as hell, and we are aiming towards the 5K. Here it goes. All right, guys, that was a little bit different than what we would usually do, and I need to find my coffee. Okay, here we go. Whoa, I lost it. So yep, that's all the stuffings, all the binders. That was quite quick, and I did it a little bit different than the last month, so I believe it's going to be a little bit weird for you, but yeah, that was all I did for today. Thank you very much. I much appreciate your support and watching the videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.